Hello, my name is Tamila. I'm from Kazakhstan. My hometown is Astana. This year I have finished Humanitarian College of Astana and I have a diploma of teacher of foreign languages. I want to tell you how I got information about this university. Firstly, I was told by my cousin that I can get a good education from Indonesia. And next I decided to go to Embassy of Indonesia in Kazakhstan, and I told them that I want to connect my life with IT, and they suggested me this university because they told me that Gunadarma University is one of the best universities of teaching IT. Nowadays I'm attending language courses of Bahasa Indonesia, and also I want to apply for Bachelor on IT. So also I attend multimedia production lessons, dancing lessons, and also I try myself in Communication TV Lab, and also I attend additional IT lessons. I want to mention that my English and Bahasa Indonesia is improving now, and I feel myself more confident, and I can speak on 2 languages fluently with people who surround me. Also, I want to mention that my IT level also has improved and is improving now, and I'm very grateful to this university because I'm very happy.